In this video, we will go through the SKUSTATUS function. The SKUSTATUS function returns the current status of any SKU. Let's go through the syntax. So the first parameter is seller ID. Seller ID is required. Then it's marketplace, that's optional. And then the SKUs. SKUs are also required. So my seller ID is typed in D1. I'm going to select it. Then we can either skip the marketplace or we can type it in quotations like this, or I can just do A1 since I have my marketplace typed in there already. Then comes the SKUs, so comma and the SKUs. This is how the function will work. For people in Europe, they will need to use semicolon instead of commas depending on their syntax setting, and it is always recommended to use ranges like this wherever possible. So this is what I get. The function itself is quite simple. In case you run into an error or the data does not load, make sure the add-on is activated and the subscription ID is saved. If it still doesn't work, just use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. Thank you.